Posters have appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the Kashmir Valley in occupied Kashmir, appealing the United Nations to resolve the Kashmir dispute as per the resolution of January 1949. According to Kashmir Media Service, the posters displayed by the pro-freedom organizations have urged the world body to take notice of the continued denial by India of the Kashmiris' right to self-determination. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have said that the criminal silence adopted by the United Nations on the Indian state terrorism in occupied Kashmir has resulted in the continued suffering of the Kashmiris. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders in their statements issued in Srinagar pointed out that for over 7 decades now, the Indian troops have wreaking havoc with the lives of the people of the occupied Kashmir. A fire broke out at the Indian Border Security Headquarters in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, the fire broke out in a barrack housing officers' mess, office and the dining hall, causing extensive damage to the property in the city. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter organized a protest demonstration today outside the Indian High Commission in Islamabad against the Indian state terrorism in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protest led by the APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar was attended by a large number of the people, including the Hurriyat leaders and women. A delegation of the mayors and activists from the United Kingdom, led by the Lord Mayor of Manchester, Yasmin Dar, called on the Pakistan caretaker Foreign Minister Jalil Abbas Jilani in Islamabad today. According to Kashmir Media Service, in the meeting they discussed the ways to promote the Pakistan-UK bilateral relations and the increase in the global awareness about the Jammu and Kashmir dispute, said a Foreign Office statement.